Hi, my name is Wesley Essink and I'm one of the co-founders of Gen3D.
Gen3D is a software development company that spun out from a research project at the University of Bath in the UK. Gen3D was the result of 3 years of academic research and almost 2 years of R&D to get our software ready for the market. We have been successful in obtaining 6 government grants to date, as well as an initial pre-seed investment from the university. This was all achieved with Gen3D's team of researchers, experts and software developers who have expertise from years of research, design, manufacturing and artificial intelligence. Additive manufacturing has allowed engineers to create components which contain features that are not possible to create with traditional manufacturing methods. However, this new freedom of design complexity turns out to be much harder to achieve in practice. There is still a large gap that exists between the designer and a successful design that has been optimized for additive manufacturing. From our academic research and collaboration with industry, we identified that the main bottleneck lies in a lack of expertise and knowledge of the limitations of the various additive manufacturing processes, as well as an absence of adequate design software, which is tailored towards features typically found in additive manufacturing.
Our software accelerates the design of complex geometry and is tailored to features typically found in fluid flow components. This is coupled with our manufacturing checks, which can automatically compensate geometry to overcome common printing failures, which results in shorter design cycles and fewer costly printing failures when bringing new products to market. Fluid flow components can be found in most high-value engineering sectors such as aerospace, automotive, medical, and defense.
The additive manufacturing market has been growing steadily, with the AM software market following suit. The AM software market is forecast to grow to over $1 billion in less than 10 years. We are now also seeing many aerospace and automotive companies using additive manufacturing in their production, as opposed to mainly prototyping. Since our software became openly available last month, we have had over 60 users from a wide range of industry sectors sign up for an evaluation, with several users expressing interest in a commercial license. Our development roadmap is heavily influenced by industry feedback, which is why we are continuing to develop our current software to include seamless workflows between CAD and Gen3D, design automation, and CFD simulation to push a designer's ability to create optimized parts for AM. The AM software market is growing rapidly, with new products being released frequently. However, we are the only software that is focused on the design of fluid flow components. Most of the design and optimization tools focus on structural components and generally use similar optimization algorithms. We decided to focus on fluid flow components due to the large number of fluid flow components that are starting to gain traction in AM and were not being addressed by current software. We have several pending patents which cover our core algorithms and have an exclusive license with the original IP that was developed prior to spinning out. We also believe that our software is complementary to traditional CAD software in the design to manufacturing workflow. Therefore, we would look to partner with the main design software firms. The main revenue in our business model is generated from subscription licensing of our software. We're currently still assessing our price point, although so far it's sitting between $1,000 to $5,000 a year per user. This is boosted with revenue from customer support and training packages offered alongside our software. Our route to market in the short term is to continue to establish Gen3D's brand and increase our market awareness through early adopters, marketing case studies, and our LinkedIn company page, which has been gaining a lot of traction over the last 6 months. Our long-term objectives are to engage with resellers, build our sales team, and launch a full marketing campaign through trade shows and media outlets. At this point in our journey, we're looking to raise funds to scale up the growth of Gen3D. This would allow us to launch a marketing campaign, increase our sales efforts, support our growing user base, and continue to develop our software. To do this, our current team will need to expand to include a variety of new team members to cover sales, marketing, support, development, as well as a managing director to oversee the business growth. If you have any questions about Gen3D or would just like to know more, please get in touch. Thank you.